Have you ever installed an application on your Firestick, but when you were asked about allowing permission to access storage, you accidentally select Deny instead of Allow? This tutorial will help you fix this issue. Step 1. Make sure you are on the main menu as seen here. Step 2. Go over to the Settings icon. It is the blue icon with the wheel on the corner. Step 3. Select Applications. Step 4. When in the application settings, select Manage Installed Applications. Step 5. Select the app you want to adjust the settings for. For this example, we are selecting the Downloader application. Step 6. When selected, select the permissions setting. Step 7. You will see that the setting is currently set to Denied. We need to change this to Allowed. Click on this setting. Step 8. Make sure you have selected the Allow setting. Hit the Select button to confirm. Step 9. You should now see that the Files and Media setting has been changed for Denied to Allowed. Step 10. You can now launch the application you were having issues with due to your incorrect setup. Step 11. Your application should now work correctly. Congratulations! You have now correctly changed your settings without having to reinstall your app.